the Air Jordan 1 Low dominates headlines with high-profile releases like the Chicago Band, and collaborations from Travis Scott and Fragment, the Air Jordan 1 High OG is quietly preparing for its own moment in the spotlight. A new khaki colorway is set to drop in summer 2026, adding a subtle yet stylish option to the growing catalog. Insider Elden reports that the design will feature a straightforward white and khaki two-tone palette, offering a timeless, versatile look ideal for everyday wear. While official details on materials and blocking remain under wraps, speculative mock-ups give fans a rough idea of what to expect. However, as with many early previews, the final product may differ once official images are released. Despite the current buzz around low-top versions, this upcoming High OG shows Jordan Brand's continued investment in the classic silhouette. Stay tuned for first looks and a confirmed release date in the months ahead.